I welcoming you all online session 2020-21. Children, I hope you all are well. So children, today we will see English new lesson, The Mouse Mat. This one is very interesting story. So before starting this lesson, I want to tell you one small story related to this lesson only. So let's start. One, this is one of the best. I want to tell you that bedtime stories. Okay, on the bank of Ganga, there lived several holy men. Their leader was a man of great learning who had magical powers. One day, as he was praying by the side of the river, a tiny little mouse fell into his hand from the beak of a hawk. Flying above, the holy man was very happy with the mouse. Since he and his wife had no children, he decided to transform the mouse into a little girl. He took the girls home to his wife, who was delighted at having a daughter to love and look after. She is our daughter now. Bring her up with care, said the holy man. Year passed by and the mouse maid grew into a very beautiful girl. Soon her parents decided that it was time to get her married. They wanted her to marry the greatest person in the whole world. First, the holy man summoned the sun. On seeing the sun, the girl said, "He is far too bright and hot. I can't marry him." The sun said, "When the cloud cover my face, I cannot shine. He is there to spread the brightness all around. You might prefer him." So the cloud was summoned. When the mouse maid saw the cloud, she said, "No, he is far too dark and storming. I need someone better." The cloud then said, "The wind blows me wherever he pleases. He is greater than I am." Then the wind was summoned. He swished around and made howling noises. This frightened the mouse maid, and she refused to have him too. But the wind admitted that he was not nearly as strong as the mountain. Try as hard as he would, he simply could move the mountain. You may also like the lion and the mouse. The holy man summoned the mountain. The girls would have him either. He was far too big and rough. The holy man was beginning to lose his patience. He threw his hand up in the air and said, "Oh, please, mighty mountain, tell me if there is anyone greater than you." The mountain, though long and hard, finally, in a deep rumbling voice, he said, "I might be larger and stronger than most other, but there is only one person who managed to get better to match the most other, but the one person to get better, it is the little mouse who burrows the hole into me and make his home there." Finally, the mouse was summoned. When she saw him, the girl squealed with joy and said, "Father, Father, I shall marry him. He is perfect for me." So the holy man transformed his daughter back into a mouse. The two got married and went to live at the base of the mountain. So children, this one is the visual depiction of one of the best bedtime stories the mouse made. Okay? So let's start this lesson. First, I am reading page number 90. You all listen it carefully, children. So let's start. Long ago, on the bank of the river Ganga, there lived a holy man. He was a learned and wise man. He also had some magical powers. Every morning at sunrise, the holy man went to the river to bath. One day, as he was saying his prayer after his bath, a tiny mouse fell into his hand from the beak of an eagle flying above. The holy man looked at the little mouse. He had shiny black eyes and a curly tail. He liked it so much that he decided to take it home. He put the little mouse on a soft bed in his room. As the holy man lay down on his bed, he heard a cat mewing in his room. The cat was walking softly towards the little mouse. The holy man saw the danger and uttered some magic word. At once the little mouse changed into a little girl. The holy man brought up the little mouse maid with a lot of love and care. Years went by. The little girl grew up into a beautiful young lady. She looked as lovely as a princess. The holy man thought, "It is time to look for a suitable husband for my daughter." But who would make a good husband for his daughter? So children, this one is the reading of this page number 90. So let's see the explanation. Long, long ago on the bank of the river Ganga, there lived a holy man. मतलब मीन्स बहुत पहले यानी लॉन्ग लॉन्ग एगो यानी बहुत पहले की बात है कि नदी के किनारे, गंगा नदी के किनारे होली मैन रहता था। होली मैन समझते हो ना, मीन्स एक ब्राह्मण जो है ना, सीधा साधा ब्राह्मण जो था, जिसको बहुत नॉलेज भी रहता है, लेकिन वो बहुत अच्छा वाइस मैन यानी बहुत अच्छा इंसान होता है, ठीक है। ही ऑल्सो हैड सम मैजिकल पावर। एक साधु संत के जैसे होते हैं ना वाइस मैन, झूठ नहीं बोलने वाला, बहुत ही अच्छा सच्चा, सबकी सेवा करने वाला। सो ही ऑल्सो हैड सम मैजिकल पावर्स। तो क्या था, इसके पास जो थे वो मैजिकल पावर्स भी थे। एवरी मॉर्निंग एट सनराइज the holy man went to the river to bath. So every morning, हर सुबह जो सनराइज यानी सूरज निकलने के पहले जो ये मैन थे, होली मैन, वो नदी के किनारे बाथ लेने के लिए जाते थे यानी नहाने जाते थे। One day as he was saying his prayer after his bath, एक दिन अचानक यूं ही, when he was taking his bath and he was saying his prayer, जब वो नहा रहे थे और के पहले प्रेयर कर रहे थे, तो अचानक ही क्या हुआ, एक टाइनी माउस फेल इनटू हिज हैंड। वो एक माउस जो था वो उनके हथेली यानी दोनों हाथ के बीच में आके गिरा। फ्रॉम द बिक ऑफ एन ईगल फ्लाइंग अबोव। कैसे गिरा, मीन्स क्या हुआ कि जब वो प्रेयर कर रहे थे तो ऊपर से जो है एक ईगल उड़ रहा था और वो उसके बीक में जो ये दबा हुआ था, अचानक ही उसके हाथ से छूटकर ये होली मैन के हाथ पे आके गिर गया। ओके, बीक ने पकड़ने वाली जो चीज़ होती है उससे छूटकर इनके हाथों पे आके गिर गया। The holy man looked at the little mouse. It had shiny black eyes and a curly tail. So, the holy man ने जब देखा लिटिल माउस को, वो बहुत, उनकी आंखें बहुत ही अच्छी थी, कर्ली टेल थे। So it liked it so much that he decided to take it home. He put the little mouse on a soft bed in his room. As the holy man lay down on his bed, he heard a cat mewing in his room. तो क्या हुआ कि एट लास्ट जब होली मैन ने डिसाइड किया कि मैं इसे अपने घर पे ही लेके जाऊंगा। सो व्हाट हैपन दैट टाइम, कि जब वो अपने घर लेके गए और उसे अपने घर पे रखने की सोची, और जब अपने घर पे रखने के लिए सोचा तो उन्होंने उस माउस को अपने बेड पे लेटाया। जैसे ही बेड पे रखा तो ही हैड ए कैट मूविंग इन हिज रूम। मेविंग है ना, जैसे ही उनको आवाज़ आई कि एक जो बिल्ली है वो म्याऊं म्याऊं इस तरह की जो है रूम के आसपास आवाज़ कर रही है। द कैट वॉज वॉकिंग सॉफ्टली टूवर्ड द लिटिल माउस, और वो बहुत ही धीरे चलकर माउस के पास आ रहे। द होली मैन सॉ द डेंजर एंड अटर्ड सम मैजिक वर्ड। सो व्हेन द होली मैन सॉ दिस डेंजर, सो व्हाट हैपेंड, ही यूज्ड हिज मैजिक वर्ड्स। ओके, उन्होंने कुछ मैजिक वर्ड्स का यूज़ किया। एट वंस द लिटिल माउस चेंज इनटू ए लिटिल गर्ल। सो व्हाट हैपेंड, इन दिस होली मैन ने जो था उस माउस को कन्वर्ट कर दिया, चेंज कर दिया एक ब्यूटीफुल गर्ल्स के रूप में। द होली मैन गॉट अप द लिटिल माउस मेड विद लॉट्स ऑफ लव एंड केयर, और उसको बड़े ही प्यार से और बहुत ही अच्छे से लव और केयरिंग के साथ रखने लगे। Years went by, the little girls grow up into a beautiful young lady. She looked as lovely as a princess. जैसे जैसे ईयर्स पास होते गया वो जो माउस गर्ल्स थी वो अब बहुत बड़ी हो चुकी थी और बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल लेडी बन गई थी। शी लुक्ड एज लवली, और वो बहुत ही प्यारी, लवली यानी बहुत ही सुंदर प्रिंसेस के जैसे दिखने लगी थी। द होली मैन दो इट इज़ टाइम टू लुक फॉर ए सुटेबल हस्बैंड, होली मैन ने सोचा कि अब ये अच्छा समय है कि मुझे अपनी लड़की के लिए, अपनी डॉटर के लिए एक बहुत ही अच्छा हस्बैंड ढूंढना पड़ेगा। बट हु वुड मेक ए गुड हस्बैंड फॉर हिज डॉटर, पर मुझे ये सोचना पड़ेगा कि कौन बनेगा उसके लिए बहुत ही अच्छा हस्बैंड। ओके, सो दिस वन इज द explanation of page number 990. So we will continue this lesson to the next video. Okay, thank you children.